Oculus Quest Pro could get a super resolution upgrade with T-Rex tech. We might finally reach human eye resolution in VR. You see the T-Rexes in the eyes?
Yeah.
It's very literal.
It's T-Rex tech.
They're coming out at you.
They call it T-Rex tech, Mo.
That's a fun name.
The upcoming Meta Quest Pro VR. Everybody loves the Pro. And you know what comes after Pro, Will?
The Ultra?
You skipped one.
Pro Plus.
Max.
Oh.
Max, then Ultra.
Yeah.
What about the Pro Plus, too?
What about the Pro Max Ultra? It's everything. All in one. 60 pixels per degree resolution. Achieving this with super resolution known as TREX. The RE is big and then the X is small, which alternates pixels on a display to fool the human eye into perceiving a higher resolution. That's fine. Go ahead. Fool the mind.
Yeah, trick me. Go ahead.
Whatever. If I see the pixels, they're there. According to Brad Lynch, a tech and VR analyst, the Seabright prototype, that's one of the many Project Cambria prototypes being worked on at Meta Reality Labs, will feature micro OLED displays with 3K per eye physical resolution, complete with a 100-degree field of view at its base that equates to 30 pixels per degree resolution, which is 50% improvement over the current Oculus Quest 2 and the upcoming PS VR 2. Shout out someone somewhere.
No joke.
But they're getting up to 60 pixels per degree resolution. So look at the way that happens. You see that? Boom. Double it up. Double it up. Double it up.
That's great.
Look at the texture pop out on this.
You can see the bolts.
Copper colored. I'm going to guess that's a bridge.
Yeah.
Maybe, maybe not. What do you think that is? Is that the Golden Gate Bridge, Mo?
Maybe.
Go ahead. Weigh in on it. What do you think?
No, I have no idea. It's such a zoomed in picture.
We want to know. We want to know
what
your
attributes am I
I just want to know
here?
your best guess.
Well, it looks metal. That's my input on this.
Big metal guy?
Yeah.
You
Yeah, I
ever
think it
listen to metal?
Maybe. I don't know.
Talk about
Listen,
music.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I don't know, like Rage Against the Machine, like that.
No.
Well, then no.
No.
You want
Kirk? You might get Kirk yelling.
Is he walking here?
Oh my god! No, he's very upset.
Yeah,
anyway,
sorry,
listen.
buddy.
This is yes, Will. It's gonna be indistinguishable. I'm gonna have to stop by your place on the way to work. I'm gonna have to yank you out of there.
I'll be lost in there.
The amount of resolution you're gonna have per eyeball, T-Rex eyeballs, and you're lying flat playing your games and immersed. I'm gonna have to drag you out of there just to do this show. It's the problem. To bring Mo with me for backup. You know what you're gonna do? It's like one of those old movies where you slide the little eye door. You just go like,
Oh, and he says password.
right on the door, and you're like, what? And I'm like, Will, is that you, Will?
Why is it so dark in there?
And then you're like, leave me alone.
He says, "Leave me alone." Okay.
And I'm like, doesn't even sound. It's not the Will I know. Yeah, I have to rescue you out of there once you get that many pixels per eyeball.
I think, man, like this is pretty scary stuff. How high resolution it's gonna get, even with like the new PSVR, the 2. I think it's gonna be quite resolution dense as well.
Right. But you want that.
Yeah.
You want it. You want it to be better.
Oh yeah, for sure. And it's always gonna get better. But man, I just feel like this is very dangerous. Like so quickly, it's evolved. The VR space.
Yeah.
You know, if anybody would know how dangerous this is, it's him. He would know.
Well,
Yeah, he would know how dangerous it is. Do you know why?
why?
Because do you remember, for example, when Elon Musk would say, we got to be afraid of AI.
Right. Yeah.
And people would say, well, you know what? We should listen because it's Elon Musk. He knows about these things. Computer.
I'm definitely not Elon Musk, if that's what you're referring to.
Hey, don't jump ahead on my thing here. I'm trying to set the
okay.
stage.
Sorry.
So in his case, Mo, and I don't know if you know this about him, when it comes to VR, he's an expert. Willie Doo's been VR day one. Every generation. He's seen it since it was invented. I mean, early Oculus stuff.
Right.
He owned every single one. So if there's anybody who would know about if we should be scared about this or not,
Right.
you're looking at him.
Right. He would also know the progress.
You're looking at him.
That's Will for you.
So go ahead and ask him.
Will, is this dangerous?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think so.
All right. There we go.
But it's nice to see the potential,
Find a way.
you know?
If I got to come in there and drag him out, I'll come get him.